Sponge. Tell you why my judge for your third like when me look back at thumping and nearly crack my neck.
Well, going up all is well, so it's going to be on dancehall artist Dovey Magnum. It's really a short one, as Dovey Magnum took to her Instagram to say that someone slashed her tires, and this is what she posted to her Instagram.
I should be pissed right now, but I'm not. Because God is good, and slashing my tire can't stop me. So, me and my bed asleep, and you find time for slash my tire. God go with you. That not gonna stop me.
Yeah, so that's what Dovey had to say about her tires being slashed. However, who did that really outsider? Really outsider. I'll catch you guys into the next video, alright? Bless up.